In 2011, the BoxMaker began investing in digitally printed and finished packaging. At the time, this technology was primarily used for rapid prototyping and short-run, low-volume work. Since then, digital has grown tremendously, and the technology has advanced exponentially in quality, speed, and capacity. Today, our continuous investments are bearing fruit, and we are able to deliver beautiful, full-color digitally printed boxes, retail displays, and labels at scale to our clients. As an early adopter and leader in this space, the BoxMaker is recognized by our industry peers as digital print experts when it comes to corrugated packaging. What are some of the benefits of digital? Compared to our flexo presses, digital presses require very little setup and they do not use print plates. The image is printed directly onto the substrate, powering a myriad of capabilities and order quantities as low as a single box. Low and mid-volume orders are converted on our digital CAD tables, while higher volume orders are die cut in our main box plant. Digital print is also a very sustainable print option. There is minimal waste due to setup, and the print result is consistent from the first sheet to the last, eliminating the need to print waste sheets for print calibration. Free from the limitation of print plates, digital allows every printed sheet to be different. This gives brands the power to easily incorporate variable data customization into their projects in the forms of personalized packaging, serialization, variable barcoding, digital watermarking, and more. Combined, our digital presses are capable of printing up to 10 million square feet of product per month. After artwork is approved, we are able to ship the majority of our digital orders within 10 business days or less. Our HP 17000 wide format digital press delivers 4-color process print in just a few machine passes. We can match 70% of the PMS gamut. For brands who need to hit a specific color, we can run a color swatch test. All of our digital presses are G7 certified, meaning that we can color match within a delta E of 2 from run to run. Once graphics are provided, a production file is created and uploaded to ESCO's Web Center. We then leverage automation software to generate a PDF proof and send it to our client. Once the proof is approved, an optimized sheet layout is automatically generated, which maximizes efficiency of printing and cutting. This file goes to the RIP, which stands for Rapid Image Processor. The RIP looks at the art file and converts it into a language the press understands. Our production support team rips the file and sends it to the press. Once the file is sent to the press, the corrugated sheet is picked up by suction cups and pulled onto the bed. The bed flows back and forth and lays down the image in multiple passes. As it passes through the bridge, you'll see the blue light, which is the UV curing of the ink. On the 17000, there is a UV and LED cure. Once printing is complete, the press loads the sheet onto a pallet and simultaneously pulls the next sheet to start printing. This press features high dynamic range print technology, which combines small drops of ink for quality and large drops of ink for speed. The 17000 prints with low odor UV cured inks. HP Cytex inks are designed for printing on paperboard with flexibility to reduce cracking and deliver rub resistance for durability. They are Green Guard Gold certified and meet AG-BB criteria. We maintain a controlled environment in our digital production center to provide optimal press operating conditions. Temperatures are kept between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and relative humidity is controlled at 40 to 60%. In order to maintain this environment, we use a mist system, which is a localized humidification system that uses air and water to raise the humidity in the local area around the presses. Our HP page-wide C500 press was installed in 2018 and delivers the latest advancements in digital print technology for corrugated available today. This machine offers unique single-pass mainstream production and opens a wide range of new opportunities for digitally printed corrugated. Specialized inks and print quality are what set the C500 apart. The C500 is uniquely capable of producing primary food-safe packaging. Most of the currently available corrugated inkjet printers use either UV-based inks or water-based inks with UV reactive compounds. HP PageWide C500 inks are true water-based inks, free of any UV reactive compounds and require no additional barriers on the media to meet international food packaging regulations, including Nestle guidelines and Swiss ordinance. Brands can now use corrugated packaging to convey messaging that would otherwise have been reflected solely on folding cartons or flexible packaging, with a similar level of quality and no negative impact on brand integrity. More room for messaging can help brands eliminate unnecessary added packaging, reducing both shipping and production costs as well as packaging waste. It can even reduce the amount of handling if what is shipped doesn't need to be unpacked and can go directly onto a shelf. The C500 offers offset quality print comparable to litho-lam or 125 line screen HD Flexo. With 10 times the capacity of the 17000, the C500 also delivers digitally printed corrugated packaging at scale. If you have high volume needs, the BoxMaker can support demand for local and national distribution. Our fleet of CAD tables supports digital production with automated die-less finishing for low and mid-volume packaging and point-of-purchase display orders. Our production team balances the work between the tables to meet client timelines. High-volume digital print orders are converted in the main box plant with a cutting die. Our Zun D3 cutting tables feature dual beams to allow for faster cutting. Our Lamina specialty folder gluer can apply glue, double-sided tape, and tear tapes to a range of box sizes and styles. These features are a great fit for e-commerce packaging and deliver a frustration-free customer experience. Once an order is printed and cut, product flows directly to our fulfillment division, where we can perform many value-added services. Our team can handle anything from simple display assembly to packing displays or boxes with your product and drop shipping to retailers or directly to your consumer. With a little information up front from you, we can even multi-pack flat displays into a shipper with assembly instructions and ship to retail merchandisers for setup, providing you with tracking information for each pack shipped. Think of our fulfillment team as a flexible labor pool that can enhance your existing operations without the added overhead or management. We adjust based on customer demand and can scale from light assembly all the way up to full pallet displays for club stores. Along with digital print for wide format corrugated, the BoxMaker has made a significant investment in digital print for labels and other narrow web applications. We operate 2 HP Indigo narrow web presses. These 7-color presses digitally print high-quality graphics on a wide range of media at any run length on a 13.4-inch wide web. They can print up to 130 lineal feet per minute and boast a 97% Pantone color match. Indigo presses operate by electronically charging the inks to transfer them from the image plate to the blanket and onto the substrate. No traditional print plate is required, delivering the same suite of digital print benefits to labels as enjoyed by corrugated. Compared to flexo printed jobs, digitally printed labels reduce waste dramatically by requiring minimal material and setup. These presses also offer continuous inline color calibration, ensuring print consistency during the entire run. These single-pass machines deliver perfect registration every time. Our Indigo presses are also G7 certified. For rare occasions when the requested label is not able to be printed on a digital press, the BoxMaker is a distributor of custom printed flexo labels as well. The BoxMaker operates 2 Delta rotary die cutter and rewinder machines, which serve as the finishing equipment for our digitally printed labels. These machines die cut, varnish, or laminate, and slit or sheet labels all in a single pass. Hopefully today's virtual tour will spark many questions about how we can help you solve your business's packaging problems. Send your questions to one of our packaging advisors by emailing us at info@boxmaker.com or reaching out to your dedicated sales representative at any time.